How old do you have to be to use Instagram? In this short video, I'm going to talk about how old you need to be to use Instagram. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So recently you may have noticed that Instagram have been asking new users to verify their age when they're creating a new account. Or if you have an existing account, they may have contacted you also to verify your age. So I just thought I'd clarify how old you need to be to actually have an Instagram account. So if I just go over to my web browser here, I've found an official article on the Help Center for Instagram. So it says Instagram requires everyone to be at least 13 years old before they can create an account. In some jurisdictions, this age limit may be higher. Accounts that represent someone under the age of 13 must clearly state in the account's bio that the account is managed by a parent or manager. If your child is younger than 13 and has an account that isn't managed by you or a manager, you can show them how to delete their account. I have another video that shows you how to delete an account, so go and look for that one. So if you know somebody who's under the age of 13, and if you'd like to report an account belonging to someone under 13, or if you believe someone is impersonating your child who's under 13, then here's a form that you can fill out to notify Instagram, and they will delete the account if they can't verify the account is managed by someone over 13 years old. So that basically sums it up. So you must be at least 13 years old to use Instagram, or if you're under 13, you must have your parents' permission and they must manage your account for you. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.